So he says, then he saw the crowds, and notice the key word here, he had compassion. Compassion is a spiritual affection. It's something the Spirit of God gives you for people. He's moved with compassion hundreds or dozens of times in Scriptures. And here we have, he was moved with compassion for them because they were what? He knew their condition. Oh, you're an evil, wicked, depraved sinner. Well, that's truth. But what else? You're harassed. You're like sheep without a shepherd. Do you see how the compassion moved to greater compassion? Because of how he looked at him. Does that happen in our life as shepherds? I hope so. Because it goes on to say, that moved him to prayer now. It didn't move him to activity. Not that he wasn't going to go get active again, but he stopped and he prayed and he said, what? The harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. He's seeing that too, that reality. Therefore, pray earnestly to the Lord of the harvest to send out laborers into his field. So note how that the last calling, this last calling of multiplying, examples the work of this great shepherd. He's active among the sheep. He's aware of the challenges of the sheep. He has optimism, though, about the potential of the sheep, right? Because they're ripe to harvest. What does that mean? This is going to be good if we could just pick it. So he's not just depressed. He's excited. We should be excited. In every problem we see in the council room, I know there is the sobriety of it, right? But we should be excited. This is a piece of fruit ready to be picked, and it's going to be to the glory of God. That's the goal. That motivated Jesus when he said the harvest is plentiful, right? But he was also burdened not to do all the work himself. He wasn't just burdened by the work. He could have done all the work himself. I don't need you guys. He wanted us to join him for our joy and his glory, the field of souls.